The rounds of the soul, 13th round in the divine will, the child Jesus with the children of Egypt. My heavenly infant Jesus, your love now moves you to leave the small hut, where you meet the children of Egypt who, drawn by your beauty, gather around you. You speak to them with such love that you leave them wrapped in wonder. After instructing them, you bless them and hasten back to your mother because her love calls you. And upon seeing your mother you run into her arms. My love, I wish to follow you in everything. May my words, I love you, I adore you, I bless you and I thank you, resound beneath your gentle steps, in the gestures of your little hands, in your enrapturing words that are so full of sweetness, love and life, and in your enrapturing gaze to implore the kingdom of your divine fiat on earth. As you bless the children of Egypt, bless the little daughter of your divine will also. With this blessing, seal the life of your will in my soul. I follow you, divine infant Jesus, as you walk through the fields and take delight in picking flowers. Every time you reach out for one of them, I will repeat to you my refrain, I love you, I love you. I entreat you to offer our Heavenly Father the flower of the little of your will, so I may know, love and desire nothing but your holy and eternal fiat.